Water Lily Artwork Part 2. These are real water lilies, photographs of real water lilies. And the one on the bottom on the right is actually Monet's garden. So you have your paper that you made last time where you have the water and the reflection of the trees. And now I'm going to show you how you can use oil pastels to make the water lilies. So I'm going to start first with my dark green, and I'm going to go making like an oval shape for the water lily. And water lilies kind of grow together sometimes. So you'll see like a clump of them together and then a space and a clump of more of them together. And so that's what I'm going to do on this also. So you'll see I'm just making little ovals. And then I'm going to go get my light green and just add a little bit more touch to these water lilies. So I'm just adding a tiny bit more color, making one part look a little brighter than the other side possibly. The cool thing about oil pastels is they kind of blend together, and I decided I'd make one more that was just light green. So now I'm going to take my pink and make the blooms, so the pretty flowers that grow with these lilies. And they're kind of cool because they're like kind of spiky. So you can just go through and make little spiky parts by your lily pads. And I'm starting first with the pink, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of red as just a little touch to give it a little bit more emphasis. Okay, you can also take your pinky finger or your little finger, and if you want to smudge them a little tiny bit, you can do that also. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this with crayons. So if you have crayons available to you, you can use those. So once again, on this side, I'm going to do it with crayons. I'm starting with my darker color again. So the same type of thing that I did on the right side, I'm going to do on the left side. So I'm making kind of little shallow ovals for my lily pads, adding a little bit more color with the light green, just a little bit more brightness to those. And then I'm going to add in the lily blooms. This side I decided to add purple as my accent color. Now you'll just continue to make more and more lily pads wherever you feel like they should be on your pond. Don't forget that at the end you need to sign your name somewhere at the bottom. It can be on the right or the left. And there you have it, your finished product. It's gorgeous. So you will add the water lilies and sign your name.